Hello, it's the Dazzling One. This is Life Talk 48. How to have a happy day. Ever wonder how some people just seem to operate in a place of being extremely stress-free? Everything seems to be great. They're always smiling. They're always feeling on top of the world. How do these people always seem to have a happy day? Well, it is simple steps, and I guarantee if you try these, you will have a happy day as well. What's number one? Slow down. You know, in our fast-paced world, we're running from one thing to the next. We're constantly on social media. We're popping all over the place. We don't ever just slow down and enjoy the moment that we're in. So that's number one. Slow down. Just slow down. And it's not going to happen overnight. Just find an area in your day where you can say, hey, I'm going to step away from things, take a few deep breaths, and I am going to feel amazing. Number two, say thank you. You know, no matter what, when somebody does something for you, even if you think it's something that you expect, still say thank you. It just puts goodness out there. It just puts joy out there. They may be having a horrible day, but by you simply saying thank you for what you're doing. Thank you for doing this for me. Thank you for holding the door. Thank you for, ringing me up at the grocery store. Thank you. It really changes your outlook. It changes their outlook. Number three, smile. What do the happy people do? They smile. They're not frowning and holding things on their shoulders. They're smiling. Not that things in life won't be challenging. Hey, that's life. That's part of it. But just putting a smile on your face and moving through life with a smile on your face, grateful for who you are, grateful for where you are, and just smile. Number four, I said it in number one, but this is number four. Take a deep breath. I learned that if you take a deep breath, hold it for 5 seconds, and breathe out, and you do that 2 or 3 times, it's almost like something lifts off your shoulders, and you just feel amazing. And it just kind of gives you, even if you're in a bad situation, it just kind of gives you a fresh outlook. Number 5, compliment somebody. I love your shirt. I love your shoes. I think the way you spoke today in class or in the office or at this training facility, I think the way you spoke was amazing. It really meant a lot to me. Complimenting somebody, you're a really special person. It just lifts them up, and believe it or not, the more compliments to give, the better you'll feel, not only how good they feel. Number 6, appreciate the small things. Do you just find yourself looking out the window, smiling at how beautiful the weather is, seeing the rain and the clouds and the snow and the wind, and just thankful for the littlest, smallest things? It makes such a huge difference. Thank you that you have clean air to breathe, and that you have food to eat, and that you have everything working on your body, and that you are able to just be a blessing. Number 7, instead of focusing on negative things in life, which we are surrounded by, why not focus on awesomeness? What is awesome in your life? Nothing is all bad all the time. There is always one thing, if only a one thing, that you can find that is awesomeness, that is amazing. I have been on a journey, and I'm kind of like in day 88 or so of thankfulness. Writing down things each day in a little book of what I'm thankful for. It's made a huge difference in my life, and I would suggest you do it too. And I guarantee you, once you get started, you find so much to be focused on that is positive and awesome. Suddenly those big horrible things or things that are not going so great don't quite seem as bad. And our last one is notice 3 things every day that you can be grateful for. That kind of goes in with the focus on the awesomeness. So I hope you found this video of how to have a happy day a blessing. Remember to like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification button. Have a wonderful and amazing day. Bye-bye.